welcome back to my channel. In this video, we're going to make this walking toy turtle. Pull up the string and let the action begin. Do you know that this toy turtle is inspired by the toy that I used to play when I was young? But it was made of coconut shells. For this craft, we'll be using paper bowls. So if you like this craft, please support this channel by hitting the subscribe button and don't forget to like and share. So let's get creative, shall we? For this craft, we will be using an A4 colored paper, corrugated board, some scrap paper or used paper bags, 2 paper bowls with 11 centimeters in diameter, a rubber band, string, a chopstick, modeling clay, paint, pencil and a marker, ruler, hot glue, and a pair of scissors. Let's get started! First, take the 2 paper bowls. Apply glue around one of the paper bowls and stack them together. Press around the bowls to make sure that they are glued together. Then, cut the rim around the bowls. Gently fold in the sides of the bowl and pinch it with your thumb. Apply glue between the gaps of the pinched sides and press it. Mark the creased area and measure 1 cm on each side of the marked line. Each line is about 1 cm. We can now erase the middle line. Then snip each side following the 2 marked lines that we made. We can now draw and paint the turtle shell pattern. While waiting for the shell to dry up, let's make the roller. Take the scrap paper and fold it into 4 centimeters, then roll it tightly. Apply glue to seal the edges. Take the other piece of scrap paper and wrap the rolled paper that we just made. Roll it tightly as you reach the edge. Cut the excess paper for a smoother edge. Then apply some glue to seal it. Press and flatten around the roller to keep it firm. This inner roller is about 1 cm in diameter and 4 cm in length. Now take the corrugated board, measure and cut 4 cm by 9 cm. Press the corrugated board with your fingers to soften it. Then fold it into 3 parts. Apply glue to stick the 3 parts together. Continue pressing it and use a pen or pencil to mold it into a concave shape. Repeat the same step for the other card. Test it out if it fits the inner roller. Make sure to keep the gaps in between before sticking them together. Trim the sides if there's any excess. The gaps should be enough to fit a rubber band. apply glue to attach the roller cover. Trim the excess to smoothen the sides. This roller is about 1.5 centimeters. Since you need to add some weight and shape to the head and tail, we will be using a molding clay. Cut half the A4 paper into a square. This will be used to cover the head of the turtle. A piece of molding clay folded into half is about 2.5 centimeters. Wrap the molding clay with the paper as shown. Cut the excess paper and glue it to secure the side. Add more glue if needed to smoothen the edges. For the tail, mold a piece of clay into a triangle and wrap it with half of a paper. Fold and apply some glue to stick the edges. The tail is about 8 centimeters long. We can now stick the eyes and draw the mouth of the turtle. And cut 4 pieces of small paper to make the flippers or the legs. These flippers are about 4 by 2 centimeters. Now, take the turtle shell and poke a hole on it. The hole should be at least 1 centimeter from the side of the base of the bowl. To assemble the parts together, take the rubber band and insert it in between the gaps of the roller. Then cut about 2 meters of string, make a knot at the end of it, apply glue to the roller and stick it. Let the glue dry up and wind the string around the roller. Insert the end of the string inside the hole with the roller facing this direction. Then gently pull the rubber band and insert it in between the slits of the turtle shell. Make sure that the roller is placed in the middle of the shell. Pull the string and let the roller wind 3 times. Continue holding the string and take a chopstick. Apply a bit of glue on the chopstick before tying the string around it. Now attach the head next to the hole and the tail on the opposite side. The weight of the head and the tail balances the turtle. Before attaching the flippers, trim it in the middle and slightly fold it in. And finally, let's test it out if it works.
And there you have it, your very own DIY walking turtle toy. I hope you had fun making this craft with us today. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time. Bye!
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.